Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to connect Roblox to Discord to show everyone your current status when you are playing on Roblox. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Roblox app, then right here hit at that 3 lines icon, and then at the bottom right corner hit at your profile picture to open up your profile settings. Then right here at the very top you can easily find the set status feature, and Discord can scan your system and detect which game you are playing now and then set the status. But unfortunately this feature works just at PC, but let me show you a simple trick how you can solve that problem. Just hit right here where it says set status. Then select set a custom status, and now right there you can tap at that field and type in playing Roblox. And after that you can also select period of time while this status will be shown up. So you can check mark clear tomorrow, or clear in 4 hours, in 1 hour, in 30 minutes, or even don't clear. I'll set it to clear in 1 hour because I'm actually going to play Roblox for about 1 hour. And now I can tap right here at save link to save that current status. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also you can check out my Discord and Roblox tutorials playlists where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.